ginagawa mo sa Las Vegas, so you don't really do it here?
In this concert?
Yeah, and no. Hindi mo na concert. In your life, here. As a wife?
Oh, yes. Kasi dito nga, ganun din kaming mag-asawa. Wala kaming kasambahay. Kami lang dalawa nasa bahay and we do everything by ourselves. Kung ano yung ginagawa namin sa Amerika, we take out the trash. I take out the trash kapag collection time, mga ganyan. So, ganun din.
So how will you describe your life here compared to your life here?
In America. Sa Amerika, siguro, kasi dito, somehow, mas madali kasi you can always call somebody,
yes,
diba, to help you with certain things. We have kasi sa Laguna, sa San Pedro, magkatapat lang yung bahay namin ng nanay ko, so I get to see her. Tatawid lang ako, and then yung nanay ko meron siyang caregiver and yaya. Yung yaya nagluluto, and I can every now and then call her. And of course I have lots of friends here to call whenever kung ano man ang mangyari.
Like very expensive, you mentioned earlier.
Oh my gosh, oo naman.
Really?
Napaka.
Yeah. The last time you staged a concert here, so Soler din, di ba? Sorry, correct me if I'm wrong.
Soler with
Basil.
Oh, no. The last one was with Basil Valdez sa Soler.
Yeah, I think I remember.
And then 2 weeks after that, pandemic na tayo,
exactly.
Nag-lockdown na. And that was the last concert that I did.
Live
with a co-artist. Yes.
So March yun?
No, February. February 28th.
Post-Valentine.
Yes.
Wow.
February 28. 2 nights yun 28 and 29.
Why did it take you parang 5 years to stage another concert?
Kasi nga what happened nung 2020, nung nagkasakit kaming mag-husband, nagkaroon kami ng bacterial meningitis ng October 2020. Yung, pahirap naman. Asan na ba yung bag ko? Sorry po, sandali. May ano ko dun may electric fan. Yung ganong kalaki. Magantong edad, ang bilis ang bilis mainit, ang bilis magpawis, kakaloka. Pag ganitong mga middle-aged. Totoo naman Buti pa nga itong flower na to fresh. So October 2020 yun nangyari yung bacterial meningitis sa aming mag-asawa. Siguro naman alam niyo na yung nangyari na ang effect nung bacterial meningitis na yun was deafness, vestibular disorder, and vision mo gumagalaw consistently, and meron din ng tinnitus. So for a while, hindi ko talaga nakayanan kumanta. Only because...
So, eye, ear, nose, and
No. Ears and the vestibular disorder wherein you are consistently nahihilo, as in dizzy, and gumagalaw yung vision, as in hanggang ngayon, ganun pa rin yung condition namin. And then, we're partially deaf sa right ear. So, it was really a difficult time for me because, syempre naman, singer ako. And then, mahirap yung pandinig. I went through that phase wherein, should I say, nagkaroon ng depression? I don't know if I'm going to admit it. I don't know if it was actually depression nga yung naramdaman ko, pero mahirap i-describe na parang ayaw mo nang kumilos. Number one, ayaw mong kumilos physically, ayaw mo nang kumilos because the minute na gumalaw ka, nakakahilo talaga. Sa totoo lang. Number two, you don't want to socialize. You don't want to talk to people because yung hearing namin noon was parang feeling ko, should I use the word painful? Painful in a way because what we only hear was high frequency.
High frequency.
High frequency. Ang mga taong nadidinig namin na salita, yung mga tao na nagsasalita, lahat matinis, matalas, mataas. Yun ang pandinig naming mag-asawa. So imagine niyo, you're talking to a person with a bassy voice, low bassy voice, pero ganun pa rin ang pandinig mo sa kanya, parang Donald Duck. So imagine Martin Rivera, di ba, he has a really full body bass na voice. But ang boses pa rin niya was ganon. Ganon yung pandinig namin noon. Nung mga first 6 months, I guess.
When did it get better?
I think it did. At least yung nadidinig namin na salita ng tao, normal na. Na-recognize na namin kung boses ni ganito yan. So, yung part na yon, I think it got better. But the hearing, parang hindi. Yeah, I mean, yung deafness, parang hindi.
Until now.
Yes. It's pretty much the same. Yung right ear, yung sa husband ko almost 90% hindi na nakakarinig yung right ear niya. Ako naman, almost ganun din, hindi na to nakakarinig. It can only absorb a very loud sound, but it's distorted.
Sabay pa kayo talaga
Sabay pa.
Grabe.
Sabay pa po.
How does that affect your singing?
It did affect my singing. So nangyari yun ng 2020, and then 2021 talagang struggle talaga. Parang I was like a child again, trying to train myself and teach again myself to sing in this current situation, in this current kalagayan.
Yeah. Sorry, last question.
Sure.
How are your daughters there in Las Vegas?
They are
And how are your grandchildren?
They are doing good. My 2 daughters. The older one is now 34, and the other one is 32, turning 32 this year. So mga matatanda na sila.
How many grandchildren do you have?
We have 6 grandchildren.
Alright.
13 years old, lalaki. Actually, puro 5 lalaki, isa lang yung babae. 13, and then 7. I'm sorry, 13, and then 11, and then 2 7 years old, and isang 5, isang 4. They're doing good sa awa ng Panginoon Diyos. Salamat.